Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping tools and safety. A Phillips, flat pry, T20 Torx, trim tool, and 10 mm socket. Disconnect the battery for about 30 seconds to prevent accidental airbag or short issues. Once done, open the door and remove visible screws around the armrest and handle, then pry the trim carefully at the clips. Lift the inner panel up to clear the window channel, and spray a little penetrating oil on stubborn screws, so you can access the inner handle area smoothly. You now access the handle cavity by peeling back the vapor barrier enough to work. Keep it tacky for resealing later. Move wiring harnesses aside and locate the exterior handle bolts. Use the 10 mm or T20 to remove them while supporting the handle from outside. Next, unclip the linkage rods from the handle, note their orientation, or label them so reassembly is exact. Work deliberately because these clips are plastic and break easily. If stuck, use a small flat tool to lever clips free without twisting them. You install the new handle by aligning it in the exterior door slot and hand-starting the mounting bolt so nothing binds. Reattach the linkage rods exactly as labeled, making sure each clip clicks into place. This ensures the latch and lock travel correctly. Before sealing, reconnect the battery briefly to test both interior and exterior handle operation and central lock function. If travel is off, loosen bolts and realign. Once confirmed, reseal the vapor barrier, snap the panel back on, tighten screws, and perform a final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.